Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't recognize me, I am blonde now. Just kidding, it's a wig. I have reviewed this wig on my channel. I always mention it to you guys because I just don't want you guys to be like, whoa, you know? Like, it's just a wig. I was too lazy to do my hair, so I just popped this on and here we are. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything that I have inside of this Glossybox box for the month of May. Now, I did receive the last month. This is my second time receiving this box here. I just want to share with you guys a few things about Glossybox. Glossybox is a beauty subscription box. It's $21, cheaper than other beauty subscriptions except Dipsy. But this one is a little bit different because you get full-size beauty products. Keep in mind, this is only my second box. I can't really judge it too much based on long-term opinions. I can't, like, if you ask me, is it better than BOXYCHARM? I don't know, because it's just very new to me. I really did enjoy the products that I received in last month's box. This month I am really excited because I already took a look at the pamphlet. I'm just hoping that everything that's on the pamphlet is what I'm receiving in this month's box, because last month there was like one thing that was on the pamphlet that I didn't receive inside my box, and I already did my face makeup according to the products that are in here. So if you guys are interested in getting to know a little bit more about Glossybox, then just go ahead and keep on watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Before we move further into this video, I do want to mention that this box was sent over to me from Glossybox for me to review and share my opinions in regards to the products that are in here, and just let you guys know whether it's worth the $21. I will have a direct link down below in the description box for you guys, so you guys can sign up if you guys decide that you guys enjoyed the products in this month's box. They have just started to send out the box for me to review and share with you guys, so expect next month as well, because I seen an email in there I should be getting next month. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and let's go ahead and dive into this box. We're gonna take out the actual box because it's a box inside the box, and this is the box that's inside the box. So this month's theme is Wild Thing. How cute is this box? I love it. I'm definitely keeping this one. Last month I seriously thought that every single month it was going to be like the same exact box, but last month I received a very light pale pink, baby pink box, and I love that box too. And I'm definitely keeping this box, so I'm just going to be collecting boxes now. So once you open up this box, let me see if I can do it on camera. I can't. Okay. You open up the box, and it is really cute packaged. It's like a little present. And this time I didn't receive the gift cards. I don't know if that was just last month. But I got this little CBD 30% off your first order. I guess it's like gummies and all this other stuff. So here are the products. And I'm going to just show you guys based off of what I'm going to be using first. I do have a pamphlet here, so I'm going to share with you guys information about the product. And let's see, I think we're going to be starting off with eyeshadow. In last month's video, I was hoping that we would receive eyeshadow palettes, and here we are. We have this eyeshadow palette here from Steve LAURANT, and I have discovered Steve LAURANT through BOXYCHARM, and I really like their products. I'm just really excited about this eyeshadow palette here. So here it is. This eyeshadow palette is cruelty-free, and it is called Wild Thing. I don't know if it's an exclusive to Glossybox, but it is called Wild Thing, just like the box. I love how sleek this is. Sorry, I have nails now. As you guys can see, it has a really good size mirror in here. Very travel size friendly. And these here are the eyeshadows. Super tiny and cute. I'm going to read off of the pamphlet. It says, "The possibilities are endless with this eyeshadow palette. With metallics and dark colors, you can rock your bold or smoky look as much as you like." This eyeshadow palette here retails for $38. And I really like how cute and small this is. It's so tiny. Okay, so we're gonna be probably doing, I kind of want to keep it maybe a little bit more muted. I don't know, we'll see what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some primer onto my eyelid. This one is a really good primer, and I just received this in my BOXYCHARM box. If you guys missed my review, you guys can go ahead and check it out. This is what the primer looks like. Very pretty vulgar. For my transition shade, I'm going to go into this color right here. And I do want to play with very light colors because I do have my face makeup on and I just don't want to ruin my makeup. I'm going to go in here and use this as my transition color. Just brighten this up. Okay, so now that I've applied that very softly, what am I doing next? Now I'm going to take this color right here. It's a really pretty rose gold. And I'm just going to be applying it right in here. This is a really beautiful shimmer and I didn't even spray my brush. I like when eyeshadows do that. Either that or just that primer, man. I really liked it the first time I tried it. This is actually my second time using it, but I really liked how tacky it felt. And this eyeshadow is just sticking really nicely on here. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this gold shade because it looks really pretty. And I'm going to place that right next to it, to that other color right there. I'm getting fallout. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of flick it off with my powder brush. And that kind of fixes the problem. But since I am experiencing some fallout with this eyeshadow right here, I have to spray my brush. So just going in here and patting it on since the brush is wet. It's best to pat before you start blending because then you'll just mess up your entire makeup. I just had to put eye drops because my eye was like really red. It's going away right now. But anyway, I do want to darken up this outer edge right in here. And I'm going to be taking a Morphe M412 brush. And the reason I want to use this brush is because I really want to apply the darkest shade right in this outer corner in a packing motion without getting a lot of fallout, because I'm scared to get fallout with the dark eyeshadow because that's just not going to be good. So the color I'm going to be taking is this one right in here. And I'm just going to be packing it right in here. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay. I'm kind of bringing it upward in an upward motion right in here. I'm moving very gently so that I don't get the fallout, you guys. I'm scared right now. What is this hair on my nose? And then again, I'm going to just pack on eyeshadow right in here. The next item that's inside of my box is this. What is this? It's this I Do liquid eyeliner. Okay, so this I Do liquid liner, say yes to the super fine, super black liquid liner. This handy pen has a narrow pointy tip to give you the ultimate control, and the formula is waterproof so you don't budge during the day. Try a neat subtle line to enhance your lash volume or go wild and wing it out. It's up to you. And by the way, the brand is EYEKO. And this here retails for $22. With all honesty, liquid eyeliners that are waterproof really scare me because I just like get scared of making a mistake and not being able to fix it. But this is what the eyeliner looks like. It has a felt tip pen, which should be easy, hopefully. I really don't like felt tip eyeliners because they dry down really fast. And then, you know, you can only use them a few times and then you can't use them again. So let me just go ahead and get ready to wing my eyeliner. What is this? It's not coming out. Oh hell no, what is this nonsense? No mames. What? So I'm just pushing the product out on a little freaking card right here next to me. And this has to be the worst thing ever. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe liquid liner. This is the ink felt tip eyeliner. I haven't even tried this, but I'm hoping Morphe doesn't do me wrong. Morphe to the rescue. I'm going to be applying that same exact brown right underneath the eye. The one I used right out here in this outer corner. Right underneath the waterline. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara at my lower lash line and just put some really subtle eyelashes. And then I'll be right back with you guys to share with you guys the next item. Moving along to the next item in my box is this BELLAPIERRE Kiss Proof Lip Cream. The shades may vary. Be ready for anything with this lovely high-impact liquid lipstick that lasts for hours without the need of touch-up. Full coverage plus matte finish equals fab in 2 seconds flat. Make sure to add a balm to your lips before application so you don't have to deal with overdrawing. And this here retails for $20. I previously had some gloss on, so my lips do feel pretty moisturized right now. And I just applied some lip liner. Definitely overline my lips, but you know what? I do that. I got the shade Rose Petal, and this product here is cruelty-free and recyclable. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on now. Maybe the gloss and this lipstick weren't a good combo because my lips feel very like, look. Should I put more? So I let this lipstick completely dry down and it still feels really sticky even when I'm speaking. It's extremely sticky. I don't know if it was just the lip gloss mixed with the lipstick that might have caused this, but it's a pretty color. I just don't really like the fact that it's so sticky. If you guys have Glossybox, please let me know if you guys received this lipstick and you guys are experiencing the same issue. I'm going to continue to play around with it and I'll keep you guys updated. You guys might see it in future videos if I do end up liking it. But so far I do enjoy the color. I just don't like the formula. It might not be the formula's fault. It might be my fault because I mixed it with my lip gloss. And I haven't worn matte lipstick in a while. I just love gloss a lot. And the next items are going to be skincare related. You guys see me put my face on, but now it's time to take it off. Because for me right now it's already 2 o'clock in the morning. And it's about that time I go to bed. So let's take it off. Time to take it off. The fourth item inside of my box is this PRO-COLLAGEN Cleansing Balm from ELEMIS. This here says that, oh shit, I scribbled it out because I was trying to get my eyeliner to work. Basically, it's just a deep cleansing balm. It dissolves makeup, daily grime. It says that the luxurious rose and mimosa waxes are infused with nourishing elderberry, starflower, and optimega oils. This here retails for $14. I wonder if it smells like any of that goodness. No, it doesn't. So here it is, PRO-COLLAGEN Cleansing Balm. For a deep cleansing session, apply a thin layer and leave it on for 10 minutes, like a mask. What? 10 minutes? Why? There's like not really instructions aside from apply a thin layer and leave it on for 10 minutes, like a mask. Like a mask? Okay, I'm gonna use this here for me to apply it and break down the... That's just gonna use up so much product though. Way too much, bro. Oh shit, I forgot to take off my eyelashes. You know what? I'm going in with my hands. I'm gonna use up way too much product if I just apply it as a mask, you know? I can't describe the smell of this. It kind of smells minty, sort of. I put so much, you guys. Do not apply it as a mask or else you'll probably finish the whole thing. So I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe. I just finished cleansing my face. I really do like this cleansing balm right here, but I just wouldn't use it as a mask and apply it for 10 minutes like it states to do so on the little pamphlet, because you guys can see it took off my makeup completely. I've tried several different products from ELEMIS and I just really enjoy this skincare brand. Let's move on to the last item in the box. The last item inside of the box is the CBD FX face mask. This line of formulated 50 milligrams of CBD face mask are made with a topical boost of organically grown hemp CBD combined with traditionally skincare ingredients like charcoal, aloe vera, rose extract, and hyaluronic acid. Designated to soothe, hydrate, and clarify your skin during the beginning of summer. And this face mask retails for $6.99. If you guys remember in the beginning of the video, I showed you guys like a little card. I can't find it right now, but it's a discount card if you guys do decide to shop the CBD line. I forgot the name of the brand, CBD FX. You get 30% off, I think. I forgot. Watch my video again. Here we go. It has this little film that we have to remove. It just kind of holds the mask in place. Now that we have it on, we wait for how long? 10 minutes. Okay, so we leave it on for 10 minutes. What time is it? It's 3:09, so by 3:19, we're gonna take it off. And by the way, you guys, if I tell you guys that I'm up really late making these videos, it's because I want to, and I really enjoy having my alone time, even though it kills me in the morning. You know, like, it's just like I'm with my kids all day, that I really like having alone time. My camera's having a difficult time detecting my face. So funny. Okay, time to take it off. And then we just have to like massage the rest of the serum onto the skin. Super moisturized. Left it looking very plump and healthy. Honestly, the eyeliner was like the only negative thing about this box. Like, it didn't even work the second swipe. This is disappointing, but I did love all of the other products. The eyeshadow palette, it blended out beautifully, and this is like the perfect little on-the-go palette. You can do a really toned down look like I did today, or you can take it darker with these shades right in here. This is really cute and compact for traveling. Again, if you guys are interested in signing up to Glossybox, the link is going to be down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial and unboxing. If you guys want to see next month's unboxing, be sure to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications so that you are notified when I do have a new upload. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!